Hi, my name is Naomi with Thicket Design, and I just finished up this mural on the Ink building in Scott's Addition. The mural was inspired by my visits to the Oregon coast. The trees close to the ocean are twisted like bonsai from the harsh weather coming off the sea. The trees on the other side of the coastal highway are covered in moss and ferns, a whole ecosystem on one tree. I was thinking of things formed through pressure and wear versus things formed through sheltered time and growth. In my work, I'm frequently creating what I think of as little Edens, dense compositions of plants and animals. The snake plays into this nicely. The birds are all swallows, important in many cultures including American sailors and the Minoans. The pots are Minoan and represent the passage of time, a once strong civilization now gone. Gold shines through the cracks in the pottery, the flawed and broken allowing the light to shine through. And a big thanks to Capitol Square for trusting me with their walls.